So quickly today, I just wanted to share information on tea tree essential oil. Did you know that tea tree essential oil is great for soothing breakouts like acne and other skin irritations? So take a drop or two and mix it with fractionated coconut oil and then apply it on your breakout or skin irritation. I would caution you to make sure that the source that you get the tea tree essential oil from is a trusted source, that you know how they process and you know how they source it. So the next thing you can make out of the tea tree essential oil is a cleanser by mixing it with aloe vera and Dr. Bronner's. I also put it in my shampoo. Fun fact, it takes 3 pounds of tea tree leaves to make or to fill up one of these 15 ml bottles.